got a cough, but these are my knives. I got 3 of these assholes. This one, start with like the crappiest one first. This one was the first one I had. It's really a piece of crap because it is falling apart. That's not a hole. That's where the screw should be. And it's got the finger flip thing, but it really sucks. You can't even open it. You'd have to go like that and crank the motherfucker up. Pivot, screw, clip. Another thing I don't like about this clip is that you can basically bend the thing. I mean, it's just too weak. So you could just jack it out of your pocket. Old school lock style. Yeah, you can't even flip the thing. Let's get that. And there's like no more grip to these screws. If you can see that, there's no more grip to them. That's the first one. That's pretty crappy. The second one that I bought was this thing, which is the best knife that I have. All the grips still on these screws. It's got the finger grip when it's open. It's got the traction right there. Pivot screw, the clip, which is so the knife blade is going to be pointing up when you flick it open, when it's in your pocket. And it's a switchblade. It has an automatic Kalashnikov 74, and it's a Bacher Plus. So I'm not sure what that means, but I guess it was just like the brand name of it. Stainless steel, made in Taiwan. It's got the grip. Just pop it down, flick it back up. Okay, now the third one that I got is, I call it my stoner knife, but it's kind of a crappy one too, because as you can see, it's already falling apart. I've already lost like most of the screws. This one was my best one, well, for a while, because it has a black blade on it and the cool grip to it, and heat treated with the black case on it, and had a clip, and it's all screwed up. Thumb stud. It was good until that thing fell apart. Yeah. This one I bought, cut myself with. This one cut me right there. I don't care. This one is cool because, I mean, it's a switchblade. Even though they're illegal, I love to collect them. It's one of my favorite knives, and this one was one of the cheapest because this one was $15. This one was $21, and it's already a piece of crap. Well, this one is cheaper than my switchblade. This one was because I got it at a flea market. That's why. But this one was $7, and I can tell why it was so cheap. So if I were you guys, I would buy a actual good knife, which is a little bit pricey, but it's a lot better than getting this and wasting your money's worth, because it's already falling apart. I mean, it's kind of crappy, but it still works, kind of. I won't be carrying that thing. This thing is just hard as hell to open. That one's out. That one's out. And that one's out. Line all these boys up and see which one's the longest, because I haven't really done this. I'm pretty sure it's not flat surface, but this one is probably the longest. My spider one, first one that I got. Stoner one's the shortest, and my switchblade is medium. I'm not sure how long they are, but okay, that was good. Pop my back. So, well, I'm a little bit stoned right now, but yeah, that was my video.